Hello and welcome back to the Web3 IP Lawyers channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss a critical issue in the cryptocurrency space, scam coins and what to do if you've fallen victim to one. As always, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's dive in. What is a rug? A rug or rug pull is a term used in the cryptocurrency space to describe a type of scam where the creators of a token or project suddenly withdraw all their funds, leaving investors with worthless tokens. Often, the scam involves enticing investors with promises of high returns, only for the creators to disappear with the funds raised, leaving the investors with significant losses. How do I avoid rugs? To avoid falling victim to a rug pull or scam coin, consider the following. Research the project and team. Investigate the project's white paper, website, and social media presence. Look for transparent information about the team members, their backgrounds, and their past experiences in the crypto space. If they have a bad reputation within the space, it is likely a bad sign. If they have no reputation within the space at all, it is likely a bad sign. If it is clear the main actors or communicators are not knowledgeable or informed, it is likely a bad sign. Check for code audits. Reputable projects often undergo third-party code audits to ensure the safety and functionality of their smart contracts. Look for audit reports or ask a trusted developer to review the smart contract for vulnerabilities or red flags. Beware of unrealistic promises. Be cautious of projects that promise extremely high returns or guaranteed profits, as these are often signs of a scam. If every coin provided all buyers a 1000% return, we would all be rich. I don't know about you, but I'm going to keep my day job. Monitor community sentiment. Keep an eye on community forums, social media channels such as Twitter, and Telegram groups to gauge the sentiment around a project. Look for red flags like sudden changes in communication, team member departures, or unanswered questions from investors. How do I report cryptocurrency scams? If you believe you have been scammed, you should report the incident to the appropriate authorities. In the United States, report fraud and other suspicious activity involving cryptocurrency to the FTC at ReportFraud.ftc.gov, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, at CFTC.gov/complaint, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, at SEC.gov/TCR, the Internet Crime Complaint Center, IC3, at ic3.gov/home/FileComplaint, the cryptocurrency exchange company you use to send the money, if applicable, your state's Attorney General. Each state has its own process for reporting scams, so contact your state Attorney General's office for guidance. Legal remedies and process for getting money back. In the United States, victims of cryptocurrency scams have several legal remedies available to them, which include filing a civil lawsuit. Victims can file a civil lawsuit against the scam perpetrators to recover their lost funds. However, this can be challenging if the scammers are anonymous or located in another jurisdiction. In recent years, some jurisdictions, including within the United States and the United Kingdom, have allowed service via blockchain ledger by NFT. This innovative approach to serving legal notices could potentially help victims of cryptocurrency scams, but it is essential to consult with a professional to learn more about the process and how it applies to your situation. Asset recovery services. Some law firms and companies specialize in asset recovery, assisting victims in recovering their funds by tracing and locating stolen assets. Class action lawsuits. In some cases, a group of affected investors can join together in a class action lawsuit to seek compensation for their losses. Bankruptcy proceedings. If the scam project declares bankruptcy, victims can file claims as creditors to recover a portion of their investment. Keep in mind that the process for recovering funds can be lengthy and complex, and there is no guarantee that the funds will be recovered under certain circumstances. Victims of cryptocurrency scams and frauds may be able to seek action under various federal securities laws in the United States. The Securities Act of 1933, the Securities Exchange Act of 1934, and the Investment Advisors Act of 1940 provide a framework for regulation, disclosure, and enforcement related to securities and investment activities. Securities Act of 1933. The primary goal of the Securities Act of 1933, 15 U.S.C. Section 77A is to ensure that investors receive sufficient information about securities being offered for public sale. This act mandates that companies disclose accurate and relevant information in registration statements and prospectuses. If a cryptocurrency offering is deemed a security under the Howey test, the issuer may be required to register with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and provide disclosures to investors. Violations of the Act, such as fraudulent registration statements or selling unregistered securities, could give defrauded investors grounds to seek legal action. 15 U.S.C. Section 77L and Section 77O. Securities Exchange Act of 1934. The Securities Exchange Act of 1934 regulates secondary market trading, broker-dealers, and exchanges. It also established the SEC to enforce federal securities laws. Section 10(b) of the Act, 15 U.S.C. Section 78J, and Rule 10b-5, 17 CFR Section 240.10b-5, prohibit fraud, misrepresentation, and manipulation in connection with the purchase or sale of securities. If a cryptocurrency is considered a security, and individuals or entities engage in fraudulent activities, example, pump and dump schemes, they could be subject to enforcement actions under these provisions, and defrauded investors may be able to seek private legal action. Investment Advisors Act of 1940. The Investment Advisors Act of 1940 regulates investment advisors and requires them to register with the SEC. The Act imposes a fiduciary duty on investment advisors to act in their clients' best interests and prohibits fraudulent, manipulative, or deceptive practices. If an individual or entity involved in a cryptocurrency scam is deemed to be an investment advisor, they may be held accountable under this Act for misconduct or misrepresentation, providing defrauded investors with a possible avenue for legal action. It's essential to note that whether these laws apply to a specific cryptocurrency scam or fraud depends on the unique facts and circumstances of each case, and whether the involved cryptocurrencies are deemed securities under federal law. Consulting with an experienced attorney who specializes in securities law and cryptocurrency is crucial for understanding your rights and potential legal actions. Rug pulls and scam coins are unfortunate realities in the cryptocurrency space. By staying informed and vigilant, you can minimize your risk and protect your investments. If you've fallen victim to a scam, rug pulls and scam coins are unfortunate realities in the cryptocurrency space. By staying informed and vigilant, you can minimize your risk and protect your investments. If you've fallen victim to a scam, it's essential to report the incident and explore your legal options for recovery. Thank you for watching this video on cryptocurrency scams and what to do if you've been affected. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Again, I'm your host, the Web3 IP lawyer. Thank you, and see you in the next video.